biker went completely the wrong way and hit a car head-on.
Was I in the wrong road?
Yes. Okay. Just chill for a sec.
I'm good, guys. You sure? My legs hurt.
What would you do if this happened to you?
Hey,
Huh?
I want to see your face and hear this good.
Why though?
Huh?
Why?
Hey, say it.
If you're asking for money, I don't have none.
Huh?
If you're asking for money, I don't have any.
No, I was asking for money. Just you like it.
The biker stopped to let pedestrians cross, but didn't want to block the entire intersection and got rear-ended.
Beautiful! Beautiful! Wow! Wow, 2 weeks old.
I moved down for a second and then I looked up. I didn't mean to.
Well, yeah, obviously you didn't mean to. Holy sh**.
Oh, jeez, I'm having a bad day.
Wow.
I feel
Okay.
Imagine getting mad at someone for stopping to let you cross the road.
I'm trying to let you pass. I stopped for you. That's not nice.
put your phone down.
Jesus. Whew. And I have that on camera. Oh my god.
Most of you watching are not subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you think. I consider this a save, not a crash, since this could have been far worse. Do you agree? Here's the backstory for this clip. The biker got hit by this driver and the driver fled.
Really, dude? Watch. God, people on bicycles think they own the streets, and people think motorcycles are bad.
A driver on his phone pulled out in front of the biker.
You're checking your phone! No, f*** off! Don't beep at me! F*** off! Yes, no, alright! F*** off! Watch where you're f***ing going, you c***!
The biker did apologize for reacting angrily and said he should have handled it differently. A small moment of miscommunication is all it takes for things to go sideways.
Oh, f***! You alright? Holy f***! Holy f***! It was red? Bro, dude, I'm f***ing sorry, dude. Cause like I thought you were like, cause you were like going. It was a red light, but it was a blinking one. Oh.
Quite simple, the biker overshot a turn, target fixated, and went down. Luckily he was not hurt, but the bike took a tumble.
Good?
Yeah.
Back good?
It's in.
Oh,
Put the phone down while operating a motor vehicle.
Seriously? Put your phone down, man. F***ing incredible. Sat in there f***ing texting. Did you see me at the last lights? F***ing idiot. Your compartment's open, big man.
Да, блядь, что ты делаешь, нахуй? Ебанутая, что ли, совсем?
Right after getting cut off, this biker lost his cool. He followed the driver, tried to have a chat, and got his foot ran over. What he did next is insane.
С головой это, блядь, вообще. Да что за хуйня? Ай, блядь, сука, по ноге еще въебалась. Сука. О, да что за хуйня? Ебать, ну нахуй, я не хотел, блядь. Блядь, я думал, я не разобью его, я так стукнул чуть-чуть. Ебаный рот, что я наделал, блядь, мне стекла попали.
Что, зачем это сделал?
А нахуя ты меня подрезаешь-то?
В смысле я подрезаю? Мне не видно ни хрена тебя. Ты со мной
Да,
поравнялся?
что произошло?
Я тебя откуда видела?
Так я остановился, тебе показал, открой окно, хотел поговорить спокойно.
Ну, конечно.
Ты мне по ноге проехала, блядь, по ноге проехала. Бля, ну это пиздец вообще. Это пиздец, это пиздец. Да похуй вообще, на стекло твое.
He obviously didn't want to break the glass, as he said it. P.S. Do you think this is real?
No, I'm not. It's 20 round there. I've got a video camera. Shut the f*** up. You just slammed the brakes on and then it made me go to back.
You know, lady, if somebody takes your mirror off, I'm gonna laugh because you can't stay in your own lane. You gotta park right on the double lines. Yeah, I'm talking to you while you're talking on your phone. You're like over the line, so somebody's gonna take your mirror off. All right. If you say so. Welcome to YouTube, bitch.
The driver in front kept provoking the biker, baiting him to pass, and then did this.
Whoa. Good. Go.
That's attempted vehicle manslaughter, but things got even worse from there.
You f***ing ass. What are you doing? I was passing you. Yes, you are fucking camera. Are you ready to hit me?
Yeah, white. What's up? You fat ass white. Wanna do something?
Do something. Come on.
You fat ass white.
Okay.
Suck my dick.
Try to hit me. You try to kill me.
Suck my dick, you white. You tried to kill me. You don't drive like that. You wanna eat this dick, bitch?
You're gonna be online. You're gonna be
My dick, you white. You're a p. You wanna do something?
wow, you are so intelligent, man.
Yeah.
You're fucking intelligent.
You wanna do something?
What?
Wanna do something? Don't record the camera.
You wanted to kill me.
No, I don't wanna kill you.
You wanted to kill me. Everything is on camera. You wanted to kill me. Everything is on camera. You fucking idiot. Fucking idiot.
Turn right at the traffic.
Fucking idiot. Idiot.
The biker witnessed a random driver dumping trash on the sidewalk, and he wasn't about to let it slide.
Братуш, вы ничего не забыли?
Ты чё, блядь, охуел, ёпта?
Сами охуели,
Ой. You good?
Have you ever seen a Saran rider high side?
Yo, are we still recording? Yo, took one for the wiper outers, dude. Holy shit. Yeah.
Why are you standing in the middle of the road? Hi! Oh, to be a Karen.
The biker just bought this bike, and guess what happened? Yes, he crashed it.
Oh, shit. Damn it. It's definitely a stunt bike now, guys.
This biker went down while rally racing.
You get the bike off me?
Yep. Do you need medical?
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Right. Yeah, just stay there, man.
Yep.
Don't move. What's hurt?
I hit my shoulder and it's a little bit on my left side here, a little bit of pressure.
Okay. You hit right shoulder?
Left shoulder.
He hit left shoulder, and he's feeling a little bit of pressure on his left hip.
I hit my my left shoulder for once.
You usually hit your right?
Yeah.
Well, I got your mirror, got your phone, got your GoPro.
Sweet. Hopefully that's still recording.
You want to get a good face shot?
Yeah, why not?
Give it a thumbs up. There we go.
Heck yeah.
Here's a small compilation of bad drivers this biker encountered in just a few minutes.
Fantastic. So why are you in the middle of the road? You don't have to have your ego hurt. I was revving so you knew you could see where I was.
I don't argue with you. I don't argue.
It seems like it.
But I do say to you, wrong by leaving you parking like this.
Okay, also I agree. You're wrong by driving in the middle of the road. Shall we call it a day?
No problem.
Fantastic. Have a good day.
You have a great day.
You too. Cheers, man.
This is just one of those I turn now, good luck everybody else moments. A crazy driver tried running bikers off the road until the bikers retaliated. Smashing mirrors isn't something this channel condones. Stay safe, stay legal, and avoid damaging other people's property. And of course, avoid road rage.
Brake on the other side.
Really?
The biker rode through a stop sign. A cop saw it and decided to pull him over.
A few moments later.
How you doing?
Good. That stop sign wasn't too good. Do you have your license?
Yeah. Can I get off?
Yeah. Yeah, because technically...
Yeah, I know. I didn't put my feet down, but...
Well, you were still probably above first gear.
No, I was still in first.
Okay. Yeah, it was pretty...
I mean, I got my GoPro rolling, but...
Well, I do too. I got 3 cameras on.
Yeah, no, I know.
Plus a microphone.
I mean, I know I didn't, like, do it complete all the way, you know?
Well, the key is you're dressed right, you got a helmet, you have an M, you may be good with that, but
Yeah.
we're also asked to kind of do something.
Oh, I hear you.
Because this is a pretty busy, yeah, okay, that's good. Because there's a warrant on a female with a similar name. I don't know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's funny, whenever there's similar...
Hey, I'm all good, man.
It's crazy. Yeah, hang tight.
Yeah.
But anyhow, what's the stop sign?
All right, I
This is
appreciate
Edgeworth.
that. Like I said, I know I didn't do the complete stop, man. Hey, I'm an honest guy, you know, I appreciate it, but
So you'll be good.
I did it, and then I looked, I seen, I'm like, he's coming. I'm not.
He's doing it.
Yeah, I know.
All right,
Yep.
put your helmet back
Yep,
on.
thank you.
All right, take care.
Yeah, be safe.
Here's another small compilation of bad drivers, but this one's with a twist. The biker used his editing skills and added some sound effects from the legendary Michael Jackson. An old man came over yelling at these bikers for riding dirt bikes and kicking up dust near homes.
You guys know what the name of this beach is? The beach? No. What? Hush. Hush. No. You guys gotta understand something. You're from California. I can tell the way you're riding. What? You ride like okay? This is sand and desert, okay? You see those houses over there? Right there? Those houses cost more than you guys make. Okay. Okay? They're gonna shut this whole area down. You see the fencing going along there? Yeah. What do you think they're gonna do here? If you wanna ride, man, we got desert, we got miles. Game guys, they'll give you a map 750 miles long. It shows you gas stops, it shows you hotels, where you can stop. You can't do it in a day. And they were so sore they didn't ride for 2 years after that. But I'm just telling you that riding here, you don't see locals ride here. Okay? These trails are being here. Oh, you see them all the time. I do. Yeah, I don't. Because they know those homes, they got a lot more pull than you do with the government. And they're going to fence this whole area off. Why do you think all that, they've got all that chewed up asphalt down there? If you guys want to ride out where we can't. We can ride from our house out in the desert. They don't care. The only time the cops come around is when you're jacking the throttle, like around in here and stuff, because there's a lot of old people, and yes, I'm one of them, that come out here and bring their dogs and do their things and come down here. This is what beach? Okay? We got Body Beach. Do we call it that because it's all the great bodies laying on it? Okay? But like I said, when you go riding, if you guys go towards the hills, nobody cares. But around here, it ain't me, man. I don't care. They're gonna shut you down. It's gonna be those houses right over there. Each one starts at $1 million. Do you think they like this dust coming across their house? Not a chance.
At first he seemed angry, but he turned out to be a genuinely okay guy.
So just be careful. Right. Okay?
Yeah, well thanks again for being cool.
No, man, I want you guys to keep riding. Yeah, I got you. You know? This is the greatest state for it. Yeah. But I can see the from California bought these houses out here, and I can see what they're going to do, and it's like, see those, I've seen them have parties till 3 in the morning with the radio just going out. Nobody says anything. But you run a dirt bike down the thing, oh, they're gonna commit.
I just hope they don't turn because I love riding the UTVs and stuff around town. That's my favorite too.
See, and that's just it. That when they start to do one thing, it's like the gun laws. Yeah. What do they say now? It ain't the criminal, it's the gun. Wrong, guys. Yeah. You know how many times I've been at a bank and had 5 guys packing in front of me? Bikes, by the way.
Thank you.
That's only an 85.
Yeah, I'm building up to a super mini.
Ahorita ya voy a marcar, muchas gracias.
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, sabes que me fracturé, sí me fracturé. Fíjate cómo está.
This episode is even crazier. Check it out.